Hey guys, happy Monday. This is a very exciting week for a lot of different reasons. But the reason I wanted to pop on here was to let you know that this Thursday night at 7:30 Central Standard Time, I'm going to be starting my live mentoring. Now, let me tell you how this works. There's those of you that you love painting furniture. You've been introduced whether to one of the many different paint lines. And it's like you enjoy the process. You enjoy decorating your home. Maybe you do it for your friends and family. Maybe they're like, you're the most creative person. You do this all the time. But maybe you're thinking, you know what? I really could benefit from some real teaching. Like, I really want to be taught the right way. I want to know the processes. I don't want to be second guessing myself. I want to be wondering, am I doing this right? I'm making a mistake here. I don't know. It's like, and the whole idea, because a lot of you're learners, you've been in school. You like having someone right there by you. And while I enjoy doing those, here's a real opportunity for you to raise your level of connoisseurship with what you're going to be able to learn with the finishing. In my Old World Finishing course, we have this beautiful box of goodies when you buy it. We've never done this before. We've gone through, and you've seen me talk about it. You have a beautiful 4-color book that is going to follow along all of your modules. You have 10 different modules that I take you through that are in digital form, that it's like you're sitting in a classroom with me, and I'm walking you through every single step. We've put that together into this beautiful 4-color printed book that you're going to be able to have to refer back to at any time. But here's something that's really, really important. I have included within this course, and this is your workbook that you're going to get that goes along with your book, along with your apron, along with the discount on products from here on out because you've taken the course, is that I walk you through. For 6 weeks, you'll be able to watch the modules, you're going to go through your book, and then guess what? You're going to pop on live on a Zoom with me and your community of other people that signed up with you. What you're going to notice is something really, really different. You've got somebody that's listening to you. You can discuss that you had an issue with something, or that you didn't understand something, or when you executed the finish, this was like a roadblock. And then I walk you through the process and helping you get over it to do it correctly. So there's nothing to be able to add to the value of having someone that is a mentor. That it doesn't mean that I know everything. It just means that I have spent a lifetime creating, developing these finishes, and I've put them into a process because I wanted you to be able to be successful. I will tell you, and really in all honesty, I have a lot of people that have taken my courses that they're providing for their families. They're making 6-figure incomes. They are selling their furniture. A lot of times they won't tell you where they learned it, but it's like those are the people that you are following. You're like, oh my gosh, their work is amazing. I can't believe it. This course has literally offshooted into having it to where people started doing art, that they're selling their art in art galleries. So maybe it's something that you want to be able to learn for yourself. Then it's for you. You can go to the link below. But here's why I wanted to pop on here. I wanted you to know that this Thursday was going to be the first time that I was going to be doing our live mentoring, and that it's not too late. Because I'm going to be walking you through in the first module how to be able to do gilding. I love gilding. I love being able to show you that first because, one, it's an easy success. I want to be able to get that success under your belt because then I want to take your hand and I want to walk you further. I can assure you when we get through with the 6 weeks of mentoring that I'm going to be doing for you, with you, live, that you are going to feel that you are leaps and bounds than years of trying to do this yourself. Hunting and pecking and reading and having problems and trying to figure things out. You need a mentor. You need somebody that's going to take your hand and walk you through it. So it's not too late. Go to the link below. Sign up for my Old World Finishing course. We'll mail you this gorgeous box of goodies, your books, your apron, your discount card, your all of your stuff to be able to start and do this right. But then you'll also be in time for this Thursday night that we'll be doing our first live mentoring session at 7:30 Central Standard Time. So when you sign up, you'll get an email. It will have all the modules in it. You can start reading, and then we will send out your gorgeous box of goodies the day we receive your order. And then that way we'll also be emailing you a link, so that way I see you on a live on Thursday, and you'll be able to meet all the peeps in your group. Have a great day, everybody. I can't wait to meet you.